Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, already 9 o'clock, 9:02, and I'm still day up today. And last night, yeah, I end up going home, and yeah, I'm here. I did not sleep in the beach. I already finished the assorted ensaymada. That was my breakfast. And yeah, these are all garbage. Actually, those garbage are all coming from the fridge. I'm still decluttering my fridge. These soft drinks, I don't like this, but I have this water. These are for emergency. And if you remember this, I still have this milk. Yeah, so this one will still be good until January 11. I already finished the rest of it. If you remember, this is one box. Yeah, coming from Divina and Riley. I have my rice here with siomai inside, and I'm going to fry an egg. Breakfast. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. I work from 6 o'clock and I finished at 2 o'clock. Oh, I forgot if I sign out. Yeah, I sign out in the paper, but I forgot if I sign out in the fingerprint. But it's okay. Yeah, so I'm actually going to the McDonald's Macas to buy $5 meal. Regular price is $11, but it is on promotion. So yeah, filet sandwich, fish. Oh, it's partially open, that's why it's noisy. I'm going to buy that burger, fish burger, because it was very busy these days. Today we did 210, including the kids. Yeah, and actually during the service for lunch, we are still doing some of the mise en place for the breakfast for tomorrow. Usually we finish everything by 10 o'clock, but yeah, that's why I'm going to reward myself with the McDonald's meal. McDonald's and all the restaurants are actually busy here. Before leaving the workplace, I ordered already.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
Today I have a code JP23.
JP23?
Yeah.
Right for it.
Thank you.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
Good afternoon. I have JP23.
Is everything correct on the screen?
JP23? I don't know.
I can't actually see the code that's on the app. So
Okay.
That's not
Oh yeah, this is the one.
small Philip Mail is looking at the code.
That's the one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's right there. Yeah, it's right now.
Thank you.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
Need the fillet?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon. mistake. I thought I would be able to park over there, but yeah, full of cars. There is even a car park on the, yeah, unusual car park. Yeah, it's fully occupied and there are so much people down there. Okay, we end up here, and actually even here there are many cars, but yeah, we still have the space. You know, every places where I usually go to, yeah, fully occupied of cars and people having picnic. Very nice. I like it actually. Even I don't have a place for me, even if I don't have a car park for me, I'm still happy that there are many people around here, because this business for Port Stephens, Nelson Bay. Nice. And this is the fillet of fish. Look at that. I like it. I like it. Switch off the engine. There is a guy here. He's putting back his paddle board, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. This is a fish, cheese, and kind of mayonnaise. Not very tasty, it's just mild but good. And the fish is real fish. It's not a processed one. That fish fillet burger, one is not enough for me. But you know, the other burgers, actually the beef burger especially, yeah, I easily get full with the one portion, one serve, one burger. But this fillet of fish burger, yeah, I feel like I can eat one more. I switched this on during my break time. Yeah, because it was very hot when I get inside. And so I switched it on as exhaust. And then I opened the window, and it was so good. So basically the air get inside, goes inside here, and then goes out here. So it's passing through, and it was good. I'm just going to chuck this in the bin. And you notice there are many, yeah, like what I've said, there are many cars in here. We also, yeah, they have a picnic here. This is similar to my van, but this one is long one. Also different door at the back. And I like their cabinet setup, storage setup. There is another van in here. Yeah, nice. This one is coaster. This is the kind of our service when before when I was off. I'm going to the bin. I forgot. Yeah, when I was working in Dubai, this is the kind of service that we have. And there is another van here. Yeah, I like this one because it's big. You can actually stand inside, so you're like normal in the house. This space is empty now. This is actually where I prefer to stay, but yeah, it was occupied before when I get here. And this is how it is. So many people, even actually on that side. Yeah, all the way to that side for sure. All the way to the little beach, Pingle Bay, all the way over there. And you know, I am actually thinking of renovating my camper van already. Yeah, and I want to make my van really nice inside, like a professional made. Because this is how it is. Look at this. Actually, I like already this design. Yeah, this setup. So I'm happy with the bed, but I want to make it a little lighter. And yeah, to make a drawer here. And then I want to make a proper storage drawer here or cabinet. And this one I want to make it like a, yeah, not wooden like this. I want it to be more beautiful. I don't know, it's actually beautiful. I don't know what I want. And at the moment I'm actually doing a time lapse. Yeah, my dashcam is doing a time lapse. This dashcam is really good. Yeah, so basically when I stop, it will stop recording the usual driving recording. It will record instead time lapse.